This shit even recording. What's up, party people? I got another video for y'all. So why is it so dark? I don't know, but let's fix this. Let's fix this. Yeah, let's fix this. Let's fix this. Why is it so dark? Why is it so dark? Why is it so dark? So I was watching this YouTube channel, and on the channel this girl, I forgot her name. What is her YouTube name? Ooh, what is her YouTube? Preety Bree. I was watching her and she shopped at Shein outlet, and she was like, she ordered a whole bunch of stuff from them for dirt ass cheap, and all I heard was dirt ass cheap. I started shopping. You know, everybody, nobody's perfect. Everybody got a struggle. Anyways, thank you, girl, because I have gotten me some items that I'm about to try on for y'all. And I got like a shitload of stuff. Okay. Oh, is my information on there? Let me blur that out. Because y'all might try to get some information from me. But she got a shitload of shit. I mean, I got a shitload of shit thanks to her. And I got a whole bunch of dresses. I tried on maybe like 2, but most of the stuff I'm trying on first with y'all. But I tried on like, no, I tried on one of the dresses, and the other dress that I saw, I know it's not gonna work because it's just so fucking small. A bitch arms can't even fit inside of it. I looked at it and I saw it, so I'm gonna save it. Somebody gonna get it for Christmas. But anyway, so let's move right on there. Now let me get into all these little items real fast because I got to be on the move. Most of the items, child, why am I way down here? So, party people, y'all crazy. Most of the items are dresses, so I'm gonna just go ahead and try them on real quick because it's gonna be quick. And I probably won't link the item down below because that take a lot of time. Screenshot the item and show y'all the original picture, like how it was originally supposed to look, and then show y'all how it looks on me. I might do it that way. All right, so let's start off with this item. This is a little shirt, and it didn't come how it says it was gonna come. Let me try it on. It's not bad because it fits, but it's not how it was supposed to look. It wasn't supposed to look like this at all. I'll show y'all the original picture of how it was originally supposed to look. But the material on this is wrong. And there's a little chain. There's a little chain that comes with it that you put right here in there. But I'm not about to do that right now. But that's what comes with it. It's a little chain. And let me fix this because this is driving me crazy. Is this the one? No, it's not. This is the dress. Look how pretty it is. I don't know if it will fit in the body area because I didn't even try it on. Okay, so I can't zip it up. But this would have been a pretty dress if it fit, but of course it doesn't fit. It goes all the way down. You guys can't really see it going all the way down, but let me see if I move y'all back a little bit. But girl, a bitch can't zip it up. It don't fit. It don't fit. It don't fit. No, it don't fit. The arms are so tight. It comes with a little scarf. A little, I guess it's a head scarf. No, bitch, it's not no damn head scarf. It's a little belt, but I ain't gonna do too much because girl, you gonna rip it, girl. But this dress was actually kind of expensive. Like, this dress was actually kind of expensive. So I'm a little sad about this one. This one was like $8. That's what I call expensive. Child, please. cheese. Cut the cheese. But it was really cute though. But it don't work though. It don't work. Alright. Let's get into another dress. Oh, I already tried on this dress. This dress fit right here. But it's kind of tight in the arm area. But I don't give a damn. I'm still gonna wear it. Oh, my titties look so fucking big. Oh. Yeah, this dress was kind of tight in the arm area. But I'm still gonna wear this one. I can and this is how this one looks. It's just a regular little dress, and then it has this little tie in the front that's really cute. Look at that. And I think this dress was like $4, so this was a good buy. I'm happy about this because this is really cute, and I could just throw this on either with some sandals or some sneakers. I might throw it on with some sneakers because it's giving me sneaker vibes, but I could just throw this on with some sneakers and be done. Real cute. I like this one. So that's how this one looks. That's cute, right? So drop top, got the titties out, but anyways, it looks real small. Am I gonna be able to fit it? I don't know, but y'all can't see this on. So y'all don't be trying to see me. This not for y'all. This not for y'all eyes. Because it was so cute on the site, and I think it was real cheap. I can't remember. I think it was maybe $4 or $5. But see, let me tell y'all something. I might tell y'all the price of something. I might tell y'all that's the thing about this site. I might tell you the price of something and tell you that, oh, I paid $4. And then you go on it and it's $8. Then the next person goes on it and it's $6, $4, $2. That's just how this site works. I even messaged them and was like, hey, do y'all do price adjustments? Because right after I made a damn purchase, the price of an item went down to like $2, and I had paid like $6 for it. So that sucks, but no, they don't do price adjustments, y'all. So there you go. I done gave you some insight. But look at this dress, y'all. So I got this dress, and I think I paid for this dress. Put that in the back. It's a little spot on here. For this dress, oh, this dress is fucking lit. Wow, this dress is lit. Do you see me though? Can y'all see? Can y'all see? This dress is lit. I say this dress is lit. It matched my decor in my house. But this dress is lit. So this dress I think was $4. And it goes all the way down, y'all. Can y'all see? Child, I had to get in the corner. Let me see. Go all the way down, this dress. All the way down to the floor. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This dress is gorgeous. Yeah. Okay, moving on. This dress is real cute. Look at the back. I got on jeans underneath here, y'all. So, you know. But whatever. It's oversized. I can't remember what size this is. This might be a large. Oh, and that green dress was the extra large, girl. Extra large, really? And it don't fit. But anyways, this dress is a large and it fits really nicely. Of course, you could belt it or whatever. My girl might have had this dress. I don't know, because child, when she said dirt ass cheap, I just started goddamn shopping. I said, oh. Child, started shopping because I got a problem. Girl, seen this dress on Instagram quite frequently, and I always thought it was cute, but I'm gonna be honest, I didn't want to purchase it from like store boutiques because they wanted too much for it. Too much for me, shit. I ain't gonna say they wanted too much because it might be affordable for some. But it was too much for me. Shein outlet had it. And ooh, my lashes is coming off. Why y'all ain't say nothing? Really? So y'all them kind of friends that don't tell people that they got a booger in their nose? I ain't got no booger, but my damn lash was coming off and ain't nobody say nothing. That's crazy. Anyway, so this dress is really cute. Got little pockets. This is real tropical vibes too. My granny's on my cruise too. This cute. I like this. And I got on jeans again, y'all. So y'all don't be jealous of all that ass back there. Okay. Anyway, so let's move on. It was real cute on the site too. And I think... Okay, and another thing about these dresses, they tripping with the they tripping with it. Some of them don't got no damn tags on them, so you don't know what's the front or the back. So I don't know. That's kind of oh now she wanna pull back. Oh now. Yeah, this one was either $4 or $6, something like that. But it was cheap as hell, and this a good buy. You don't miss the orange one, the white and black one that I got, girl. It's so cute.
But you didn't call me.
I'll try it on again for you. I gotta hurry up because Robert went to go get my kids. So this a real cute one. I like this one, and it's light. This one real light. Huh?
I'm only seeing half of your body on me, whatever, right?
Oh, you are?
I'm only seeing your legs.
Oh, hold on. You need to go higher then. Hold on. When they go low, you go high, bitch.
You can't come up with anything extra to give me. Bitch, I would be happy with you if popped up with extra $50 or extra $20.
Right.
Are you really on?
If you say amen to the grocery store, your list will come back wrong. Nothing on your list will be right. You heard it right here. Ladies, so that's how many items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Well, I told y'all 8. That was 7 items, ladies. The items ran from $2 to $4, most of them. And then that one green dress was $8. That's the only thing I spent $8 on. But that's it, ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. It was fun kicking it with you guys, even though y'all didn't really tell me that my lash was coming off. I didn't know y'all was that type of crowd, but you know, it's all good. I can learn to forgive, but it's cool. I'm gonna be all right. But that is it, ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, this short little haul. And one thing I will do is I will link the video to Preety Bree's on, so you guys can see what she got. Ooh, so you guys can see what she got, because she's the one who told me about this. And it says 10-day shipping, and it does take 10 days. Okay, it's not gonna come any quicker. Now my sister did shop on the regular Shein or Shein, don't know what it's called, but she shopped on their regular website, and that comes much quicker, and the clothes are still this nigga. Hello?
Hey, what tortillas?
What do you mean, what are tortillas?
What tortillas?
Oh, just get the taco style. We eating tacos, so get the taco style.
It says taco style on the EBR?
Yes. No, I'm not making up a name. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Oh, my sister, she shopped on the what was I saying before I was really interrupted? She shopped on their regular website, and that takes like, I think it said 4 to 7 days, something like that, and it does take that long. She got her stuff like, it's rude as hell. Anyway, she got her stuff a few days quicker than me, maybe like 3 days quicker than me. So maybe that site might take a full 5 to 7 days. And mine's definitely, it says 10-day shipping. It does take a whole 10 days. Which is not bad, because I bought from like Wish, those China sites, and no shit, child, you get your stuff the next month. Anyway, so So that's not that bad. But anyway, yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. I said, yeah, that's it. Oh no. Yeah, maybe on Thursday I might film that. Because I'm going out of town. Not next weekend, but the following weekend. Okay, that's too much information. Okay, y'all. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, party people, subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Until next time, girls. Bye.